Hello everyone, your favorite Vtuber, Isabella Electrum here, and I did a Ask Me Anything here on Twitter, and I wanted to answer them for you guys. I asked for questions, you guys gave some, figured I'd make a video. So, first one of here, by a lovely other Vtuber. Most of these are, actually, I'll have to check on them, but I know Seraph, awesome Vtuber, awesome Vtuber. I'll put their links in the descriptions. Anyway, on to the actual meat, the questions. If you had a superpower, what would it be? First question. Well, I sort of feel like I already do have a superpower, being like my ability to process things so quickly. I dumb it down to appear more at your standards. But if I had to pick one, probably would be invisibility, because I mean, I'm kind of a perv a little bit, you know, as you do. What sci-fi universe would you like to live in? Well, I would like to live in, probably the Destiny universe, because I know so much about it, and I have a lot of fun playing the game. That is, Destiny is in the video game, made by Bungie. I know there's some hate behind it, but I find it fun to play. Anyway, this is those two. What is the best in life? Hmm. Well, obviously the best things in life come in small packages, but the best in life is, happiness and spending time with friends and family, I would go with. And forgive me, but I do not get the reference of what movie this is from. I think it's like a, oh god, this is going to come across racist. I think that's Mongolian, but I can't tell. Forgive me, my image recognition, not always the best. Let's go to the next one. Let's see, okay, just a normal fan. Okay. If you had to live in a video game, which one would you choose? Alright, well, I already answered Destiny for this one, for the other one, so I'm not going to choose the same answer twice, because I think that would be a bit of a cop-out. So, let's see. Well, if I'm to pick a mobile game, that would be a different answer. But I think, honestly, I would probably go with Elite Dangerous. I've been playing, like, a lot of Elite Dangerous lately. And honestly, I've been having a lot of fun, and I would be perfectly fine living in that game. I mean, I get a bunch of cool spaceships. So, yeah, that's always fun. So, yeah, let's see. So, anything else I want to talk about? First off, you gotta follow. You know what? I'm gonna make this easy. Let's pull up their Twitter, and I'll show you their YouTube. Just user Seraph9. Seraph9 is awesome. Really, really creative, very story-driven, impressive content. I love their videos. Definitely check them out and follow them if you haven't already. I know some of you haven't. So, that's one for sure. Then also, come on. Fine, notifications, pull up. Mentions. Also go give them a follow, they're awesome. But this lovely fellow, boop. Give him a follow too. You know what? Because we're here, boop. Turn on those bell notifications. You guys know I don't even ask for that stuff because you hear it enough as you do on every other YouTube channel pretty much in existence, so you know the drill by the time you get here. I don't have to say it. Anyway, at this point, I'm rambling, so I'll see you guys all next time.